Spokane's skies. Wednesday, May 2nd, 2018, 7:38 p.m. Downtown Spokane, going to Spokane Comedy Club. So there's no 360 view right now. This is just another video of us walking to it. Earlier I took one when we were waiting in line. Saw the beautiful clouds. We were inside for the meet and greet, and we come out, there are no more clouds, and I see freaking haze instead. Now, was the haze always here and just behind the clouds and I didn't see it? Was there something going on while we were inside that we didn't see? We don't know. It's Rambo coughing. You'll never see him.
Chemtrails make me cough.
Chemtrails make him cough. Spokane skies. Downtown Spokane. McFoley, y'all. Okay, hold on. Whoa, look at that. Look at that nice little biddly boo. Oh, look at that one. Look at that plane over there. I don't think this will pick it up, but there we go. Look at, when does the plane fly in that direction, eh? Never. Well, just now, I guess.